Hey there again, Wolfgang. This is Bush. Today we're going to talk about the character code. I just thought this was a cool little function. I didn't know it existed really. I was reading up on it. It tells you the character code of whatever position you give it in a string. So let's go ahead and we're going to try it out. And I can think of a lot of cool random things I could do with this. But just for beginner's sake, and this isn't anything that I've even never really had to use this far. So don't think that this is a big deal, like if you don't know this. So we have our string here, um, console logs empty, and let's go ahead and we're gonna create a variable called our character code. Now our character code here, let's like choose a position 9. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's going to return our T character code once we console log that. So let's go ahead and console log that. That's 116. So that's just something I want to throw in here real quick. It's not something I've necessarily ever really had to use so far, but now that I know it exists, I think it'd be cool to use this and see what I can do with it. And that's just something I want to throw out there for y'all real quick. Remember, when doing your code, always refactor, always go back, see if you can clean it up a little bit. If you have to, there's always multiple times, and don't feel like if something's not working that you should just give up. There's multiple times I've seen that I've had to go back and rewrite in entire everything, just from scratch. Uh, it helps you learn, helps you get better. Just keep going at it. And whatever you do, if you have any questions or anything like that, and I can help y'all, just leave them down in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Any suggestions, complaints, or anything like that. Also, maybe I'm not doing something enough. Let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Wolfpack, y'all take it easy and have a good day.